is it, Bogey?
Put your hat on, maybe.
Nate's music, by the way.
He said we're almost done.
This is all from the old Kanye album. Graduation.
You been to Nam?
To Europe. No.
You ever been to
That's
IHOP?
unfortunate.
Kind of the same.
I have.
Well, you haven't.
I've been to Switzerland. Climbed the Matterhorn. No, I swear to God I did. My grandparents used to live in Switzerland.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
cool.
That's the only...
Oh.
Oh, that's pretty.
Ooh. Yeah.
Anyone want a latte?
That's some coffee.
Serving up hot lattes over here.
Yep. Just a little syrupy.
Extra mocha.
Extra mocha.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's the
You need to open the plug on
coolant.
That's what
On
your
the
oil
oil
is supposed to
pan.
look
Oh.
like, everybody.
Oh. We're about to overflow.
Don't see him yet?
Oh, you got that one.
I don't smell anything. Alright, here we go. Close.
Oh. Is there gas in it?
Yeah, is there gas?
I was thinking it worked. Never made it this far.
Is there gas in it?
I got a little bit of gas over there.
I mean, we could just go get 93 and put it in that 5-gallon.
I think it's gas.
It wants to start.
Yeah. I think it's out of gas though. The gauge is lifting.
Pour some booze in there.
Alright, guys. We'll be back with gas.
Keep it full. Jesus
God.
Christ.
It's fucking loud. You see all the smoke that came out?
Bro, the gas is wide
That's
Oh,
funny
it
as
says
fuck.
the clamps right there. You can't have clamps there. Oh, okay, wait. For those of you who don't know, if you don't want to make this mistake, the intake tube was caught the throttle body
open.
cable, so we just had it pegged. Hey, it ran though. Did you have to turn the key?
Yeah, I turned it off, yeah.
Okay, cool. Still spitting fuel. No check engine light?
Not yet.
Well, JC, how did it go?
Went pretty well. Everything seems to be operating fine. Good temps on everything, good oil pressure. Checked the oil. We changed the oil actually 2 times now. About to change it for our 3rd time just to make sure we get all the water flushed out of the system. The only
Sick.
issue that we've ran into so far is the idle is a little finicky, but we think that might be due to not resetting some of the parameters on the sensors. So we might have to disconnect the battery and let the computer fully reset And then I think there's something about maybe having to unplug the cam positioning sensor and cranking it a little bit and then plugging it back in so that sensor can reset. But other than that, we're going to do that and see if that solves our problem. It idles relatively well, but the only downside is whenever you're driving it, if it down revs from too high of an RPM, it will stall on us. And so haven't quite figured that out yet, but I think that's just a reset issue because the previous owner did run it quite a bit because he showed us videos of it running with a blown head gasket, which kind of alarmed us a little bit. But I think overall it just has some misreadings that need to be reset due to it having water coming through, you know, passing by the O2 sensors and whatnot, and being so high on water content. Since this thing has a lot of vacuum lines right into the air box, it's probably pulling in a decent amount of humidity into the air box, also triggering the mass airflow sensor to be off a little bit. But other than that, if we can get everything reset and give you guys an update here after a bit on how it idles, hopefully it'll solve our issues.
Sweet.